Hello, we are Team AMARPA. We will be presenting on sign language-based autonomous driving system. Our presentation will proceed in following order: project background, system implementation, experiment results, and future work. Nowadays, global automotive voice recognition market is rapidly growing. However, individuals with hearing or speech impairments are unable to benefit from this advancement. Therefore, in this project, we aim to implement a sign language-based vehicle interface for the hearing and speech impaired. Furthermore, by integrating this with autonomous driving, we intend to build an autonomous taxi system that operates through sign language. For the interface, we use the MediaPipe holistic framework to extract 3D hand landmarks. To ensure consistency across users, we convert these landmarks into relative coordinates based on the wrist. Then we train the model using approximately 260,000 gesture samples. For dynamic gesture recognition, we employed an LSTM-based sequential model. It processes gesture sequence to learn temporal motion patterns, ensuring consistent recognition regardless of speed or length. Finally, the gesture class is determined by passing the output through dense layers. Static sign recognition is performed using a frame-by-frame classification approach. For each incoming frame, a constant class is predicted based on extracted hand landmarks. To improve robustness, CTC-inspired strategy is adopted, where a character is accepted only when it constantly predicted with high confidence over consecutive frames. The video illustrates an example of Korean sign inputs for Ina University. To use our systems, the user first enters an activation page. The interface then transitions to gesture recognition page. Finally, the user inputs a destination using Korean Sign Language, which is used to generate a navigation route via Kakao Map. This video demonstrates sign language-based navigation system. Destinations are entered using sign language, which leads to generate navigation route. And we integrated the developed software into a embedded environment. As shown in the system architecture on the left, we utilized the Raspberry Pi 5 as the main processing unit to handle the sign engine and UI. The image on the right shows the actual hardware implementation and demonstration. Now we will introduce our autonomous driving system we developed. For global path planning, we built a load graph using MoRI-Sim and GeoData. We applied the complex link node structure of the Sangam map and extract the full load network based on the data. Now, in the global path generation process, we applied the Dijkstra algorithm to find the shortest route between nodes. Node-to-node distance were sorted as a cost matrix, and the optimal path was created by connecting the lowest cost nodes. Here is the demonstration video of the global path planning process. Next is local path planning. We use the Stanley algorithm for path tracking to reduce lateral and heading errors. In addition, ACC and AEB were implemented for safety distance keeping and collision avoidance. Here is a simulation of the AEB function. For object avoidance driving, we generate paths in real time using quantic polynomial in the Frenet frame. Then we apply the cost function to evaluate the select the most optimal path. The videos below demonstrate how the vehicle detects obstacle and generates avoidance paths in real time. For the final demonstration, we integrated our sign language interface with the MoRI simulator. First, user can specify real-world destination in Sangam using sign language gestures. Subsequently, corresponding GPS coordinates are transmitted using TCP. to set destination on the digital twin map. This is our final result. The user utilized a dynamic gesture on the interface to enter the navigation mode. In this mode, they search for a destination using sign language. As you can see, the user is searching for Sangam Colosseum. The system then extracts the destination's coordinates using the Kakao API and transmit them to the simulator. Once the vehicle receives the coordinates, it generates a global path to the destination within the Sangam digital twin map. Based on this path, the vehicle initiates autonomous driving. By utilizing local path planning, it avoids the obstacle and successfully arrives at the destination. So in this project, we developed an in-vehicle interface operated through sign language commands with higher recognition accuracy. Furthermore, by linking sign language input with autonomous driving, we have harmonized non-verbal communication with future mobility. Moving forward, we plan to extend our framework to support complex bimanual gestures, going beyond the current single-handed system. This is end of my presentation. Thank you for your attention.